Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Gratton with Herbalife. When it comes to supporting your immune health, preparation is key. That's why I recommend you go on the defensive with Best Defense. Herbalife offers two Best Defense products. While both are quick-dissolving effervescent tablets, each one is formulated with immune-supporting ingredients. Let's take a closer look. Best Defense has a delicious orange boost flavor and delivers a 3-in-1 blend of immune support. Echinacea supports immune health, vitamin C provides powerful antioxidant benefits, and zinc helps support cellular metabolism. In addition, Best Defense Plus is formulated with 10 micrograms of vitamin D. Also, it's made with non-GM ingredients and comes in 2 flavors, refreshing watermelon lime and soothing honey lemon ginger. On those days when you need to go on the defensive, simply drop 1 effervescent tablet in 8 fluid ounces of hot or cold water. Let it fully dissolve before drinking and take up to 2 times per day as needed. Feel good about supporting your immune health with Best Defense and Best Defense Plus. Order yours today.